Every time I would teach a mathematics state standard, it never failed. I would always have a student ask me, Mrs. Presley, why do I need to know this? Students are looking for a specific connection into the subject matter that they are learning and how it will filter into their future career. Well, no one holds a crystal ball, right? I mean, no one can answer that question directly. And that's why I created this course, because the answer to that question is so broader than the answer that one is anticipating. The answer to that question pertains to not only your professional life, no matter what career you choose, but also your personal life. It factors into your whole being. And today we're going to look at a life lesson that students learn in their math classes. This life lesson is precision. Precision. It's kind of like mathematics is encouraging, ingraining in students to have a little OCD. A little OCD is actually a good thing. I'm not talking about a major case of OCD in which it can be disabling, but a little OCD is actually a good thing. When you look up OCD, there's a list of words that come up with OCD. Perfectionist. They check and double check things. They're detail oriented. Repetitive behaviors. They're very orderly and they're very exact. When students are solving math problems, solving math equations, I always tell students to check and double check their answer. Make sure that you have copied down the problem right, that you have worked every single step correctly, that you haven't made any careless errors. Because oftentimes when students miss the question, they miss the answer, they have either copied the problem down incorrectly on their paper or they have made a careless error. One of the two. And so in math, you have to be very precise. You have to be very exact. It teaches you to be very detail oriented. Looking at where those negative signs are, looking at where those positive signs are. You are looking at every single detail of the problem. And this is a good thing because when your student is applying for those good paying jobs later on, employers are going to hire people who are very precise, who are very exact. They're going to do this because this actually will increase their customer base, right? More customers are going to come to that particular company because their good or service that they're purchasing from that company, they know it's going to be very precise. It's going to be very exact. And another reason why employers are going to want to hire people who are precise is that they know it's already ingrained in that student's DNA, this years and years of making a habit of being precise. They are precise and they don't even realize that they're being precise. And so they're going to do that automatically. It's going to come out of them automatically when they're on the job. And they don't even realize it. And so their supervisor sees this and they're like, they can do this with little or no oversight. Because it's ingrained in their DNA. It just ingrained in their years and years of mathematics classes of being precise in what they've done in their classroom. So let me encourage you to make sure that your student is taking advantage of all of these valuable life lessons that they will take with them into adulthood. When they are not engaged in the classroom, when they are not solving these math problems, they are missing out on so much. And, you know, this is the edge that they will have over their peers later on when they are applying for that good paying job, because they have that life lesson, that character trait of precision. I can't wait to see the next and final class session, another life lesson that students learn in their math classes.